Think of a building as a living, breathing organism. Its strength doesn't lie solely in the beams and columns, but in the joints that hold everything together. That's where ALUMEGA comes in, a high-performance connector system engineered not just for strength, but for movement and resilience. Developed by ALUMEGA is far more than just a fastening component. These articulated connectors serve as the structural joints between beams and columns, allowing controlled flexibility across the building's frame. In extreme conditions, like earthquakes, windstorms, and even thermal expansion, ALUMEGA absorbs and redistributes motion that would otherwise lead to stress fractures or failure. The secret lies in its intelligent geometry and precision-engineered elongated bolt holes, allowing a safe shift of up to 8 mm or 0.31 inches, and in some cases even 12 mm or 0.47 inches. This bolt-in adaptability enhances the building's structural integrity while maintaining rigidity where it matters most. For even greater efficiency, ALUMEGA units can be pre-assembled in the factory, enabling on-site teams to install them quickly with minimal labor. Just align and tighten the bolts. No welding, no guesswork. ALUMEGA is more than hardware. It's a smart, modular solution designed for the demands of today's dynamic environments. In modern construction, flexibility is strength, and ALUMEGA delivers both. Imagine constructing a multi-story building without cement splatter, without deafening machinery, and without months of unpredictable delays. That's exactly what DERIX is making possible through its cutting-edge modular timber construction system. At the core of this innovation is a streamlined process. Over 60% of the building assembly is completed off-site in a controlled factory environment. This ensures unparalleled precision, material efficiency, and quality control, eliminating common issues like weather delays, measurement errors, and material waste. Once the prefabricated timber modules arrive on site, the remaining construction becomes more like precision assembly than traditional building. The result? Entire multi-story buildings can be completed up to 4 months faster than with conventional construction techniques. But speed doesn't mean sacrificing creativity. Whether it's an open concept loft or a customized floor layout, each DERIX module is fully made to order, giving architects and designers the flexibility to push boundaries and deliver unique, high-performance living spaces. Timber itself adds another layer of sustainability. As a renewable material, responsibly sourced wood helps reduce a building's carbon footprint, making DERIX's solution not only faster and smarter, but also more environmentally conscious. This isn't just innovation, this is the future of urban development. At the crossroads of science, design, and engineering, a French company named WOODOO is reshaping what we thought was possible with timber. With a team made up of chemists, physicists, engineers, and industrial designers, WOODOO has already filed over 80 patents and gained global recognition for a material innovation that sounds almost unbelievable. Wood engineered to rival metal in construction. The process begins by removing lignin, the natural substance that stiffens plant cell walls as they harden. In its place, the WOODOO team infuses the wood with a proprietary transparent polymer. This radical transformation gives the timber a completely new set of characteristics. The result? A high-performance wood that's 5 times stronger than its natural form, while being significantly more resistant to moisture, decay, and even fire. This opens the door to sustainable construction materials that combine the renewability of wood with the durability of steel, without the carbon footprint. WOODOO's breakthrough isn't a future promise. It's happening now. Their technology offers a glimpse of construction's next evolution, where bioengineered wood could stand toe-to-toe with traditional materials, transforming architecture, manufacturing, and even infrastructure. In short, they're not just upgrading wood, they're reinventing it. Forget flat, lifeless surfaces. Woodskin brings architecture to life with panels that move, curve, and flow like fabric. These aren't just decorative finishes. They're a fusion of material science and design freedom, engineered to shape truly dynamic spaces. At the core of Woodskin's innovation is a multi-layered structure, triangular plywood segments bonded to a flexible polymer mesh, reinforced with nylon fibers. This combination allows the rigid wood to bend and twist while holding its form, like origami for interior surfaces. For those wanting to elevate aesthetics even further, the panels can be customized with decorative inserts made from materials such as plastic, metal, stone, and even marble. the real magic? Flexibility without compromise. Wood skin panels can be applied to walls, ceilings, floors, or furniture, adapting seamlessly to both straight edges and flowing curves. You'll find them in cutting-edge boutiques in Milan, luxury hotels in Dubai, and bold art installations around the world. Behind every project is specialized software that allows designers and architects to model custom geometries, adjusting the shape, scale, and orientation of each wooden element with precision. Whether you're aiming for avant-garde, minimalism, or artistic flair, wood skin is a bold invitation to rethink what surfaces can be. It's not just finishing, it's fluid geometry made real. What if building a house could feel more like assembling a giant Lego set? That's the vision behind Gablok, a company redefining construction with its interlocking insulated blocks, inspired by childhood building toys, but engineered for real-world durability. Each block is made from a combination of oriented strand board and expanded polystyrene foam, creating a structure that's lightweight, strong, and highly energy efficient. With only 8 essential components in the system, assembly is straightforward and beginner-friendly. No prior construction experience needed. In fact, after a brief introduction, most users can build a 100 square meter or 1,076 square foot ground floor in just 2 to 3 days. No mortar, no cranes, just stack, align, and lock the blocks into place. The Gablok system has been tested and approved by acoustic and energy efficiency consultants, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious builders. Both the OSB and polystyrene are fully recyclable, and the entire build method produces minimal waste. As for the cost, a Gablok house will run you about $1,250 per square meter, or $116 per square foot, including both materials and labor, making it a competitive option for those seeking speed, sustainability, and simplicity. Gablok isn't just a system, it's a smarter way to build the future. When it comes to building insulation, Knauf Heraklith panels offer a blend of natural composition and modern performance that's hard to beat. These panels are made from wood wool, long, curly wood fibers that can reach up to 500 millimeters or 19.7 inches in length, bonded together with a cement-based binder. The result is a strong, breathable board that balances structure with softness. One of the standout qualities of Heraklith is its vapor permeability. Unlike traditional insulation, these panels allow moisture to pass through without trapping it, reducing the risk of condensation and keeping interior spaces dry and healthy. They also provide robust thermal insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperature efficiency while reducing energy consumption, whether it's blazing heat or biting cold. Heraklith acts as a passive climate buffer, improving both comfort and performance. What's more, they're resistant to pests, mold, and decay. Insects and rodents simply aren't interested, and thanks to the mineral binder, mold growth is a non-issue. Heraklith boards are extremely versatile. They can be installed in walls, floors, ceilings, roof rafters, and partitions. Their lightweight nature makes them easy to handle, while their acoustic properties help reduce sound transmission. The result? A home that's not only warmer, but quieter, drier, and more durable, naturally. It may sound like science fiction, but transparent wood is very real, and it's reshaping the future of material science. Developed by researchers at the University of Maryland, the process begins with a simple block of wood, which is boiled in sodium hydroxide to remove its lignin, the compound responsible for its color and rigidity. Once the lignin is extracted, the remaining cellulose structure becomes semi-transparent. To complete the transformation, the material is infused with epoxy resin, creating a composite that's not only clear but also 5 times stronger than the original wood. Best of all, it retains its recyclability, making it a green alternative to glass and plastic. The possibilities are enormous. Imagine transparent facades, skylights, and solar panels that blend seamlessly with wood architecture. It could revolutionize not just architecture, but also optical devices, energy solutions, and even interior lighting. Strong, sustainable, and endlessly innovative, transparent wood blurs the line between natural and synthetic. As researchers continue to refine it, we may be on the brink of a new era in eco-friendly construction. With its roots in nature and eyes on the future, transparent wood could become the glass of tomorrow. What if wood could be treated like steel? tempered by flame, strengthened through fire. Enter Shou Sugi Ban, also known as yakusugi, a century-old Japanese technique that transforms ordinary timber into a material of remarkable beauty and resilience. The process is simple in theory, but masterful in execution. Wood is exposed directly to flame, either by gas torch or inside a kiln, reaching temperatures of 1,100 degrees Celsius or 2,012 degrees Fahrenheit. After approximately 10 minutes, the surface chars to a precise depth. It's then extinguished, brushed to remove loose carbon, and rinsed with water. What's left is a rich, textured grain, often jet black or silvered, with a shimmering, charred finish that highlights the wood's natural structure. But the real magic is beneath the surface. Shou Sugi Ban, wood becomes highly resistant to water, insects, mold, and UV rays, while gaining a lifespan of up to 80 years without chemical treatments or synthetic coatings. Traditionally done with Japanese cedar, modern adaptations now use a variety of species, from cypress to pine to spruce. Whether used for cladding, decking, ceilings, or interiors, Shou Sugi Ban blends aesthetic elegance with practical longevity, bridging ancient craftsmanship with modern performance. It's not just wood, it's fire-forged architecture. At the heart of Sweden's capital, Wisdome Stockholm stands as a breathtaking example of what timber architecture can achieve when science and artistry unite. An extension of the National Museum of Science and Technology, this dome-shaped annex is more than just an exhibition space. It's a bold structural statement. The centerpiece is its awe-inspiring roof, a fully self-supporting timber shell with no interior columns and a sweeping span of 1,200 square meters or 12,917 square feet to achieve this architectural feat. Engineers relied on complex lattice framework composed of 2,500 elements of laminated veneer lumber, a high-performance engineered wood known for its strength and dimensional stability. These elements are connected using 3,600 wooden dowels, with no metal fasteners in sight. The result is not only structurally sound, but also entirely biodegradable and sustainable. This organic flowing form is designed to spark curiosity and reflect the museum's mission, bridging the gap between science, technology, and design. From a distance, it feels futuristic. Up close, it's an intricate expression of wood's natural beauty and engineered precision. More than a building, Wisdome Stockholm is a living sculpture, one that inspires architects, engineers, and dreamers alike. It's proof that in the hands of visionaries, wood can do the impossible. Imagine building a wooden house with the speed and precision of a puzzle, assembled in just 1 week. That's exactly what the MHM system delivers. Solid wood wall panels engineered for rapid construction and long-term performance. Each panel is made from dried softwood boards, arranged in cross-laminated layers for maximum structural stability. Instead of using glue or chemicals, MHM panels are fastened with aluminum nails, making the system entirely free of adhesives and fully eco-friendly. You get the best of what wood has to offer: breathability, natural insulation, and a warm, organic appearance, without the drawbacks. These panels resist cracking, mold, and warping, and there's no need to wait for the structure to settle. You can start interior finishes immediately, saving weeks on project timelines. And here's a real game changer: MHM construction can continue year-round, regardless of weather conditions, rain, snow, or summer heat. There's no need to monitor humidity or wait for dry days. This flexibility keeps timelines predictable and eliminates costly delays. From cozy cabins to full-scale family homes, MHM offers speed, sustainability, and rock-solid reliability, all wrapped in the timeless beauty of natural timber. It's not just fast building, it's next-generation wood construction done right. Imagine constructing a home the way you'd build with Lego blocks. No glue, no concrete mixers, no heavy equipment, and most importantly, no environmental damage. That's the philosophy behind the wood brick system, an innovative construction method that combines simplicity, speed, and sustainability. At the heart of the system are precision-milled wooden bricks, designed for easy assembly and long-term durability. There's no need for deep foundations. A reinforced concrete slab with insulation is all that's required as a stable base. Each brick is lightweight, making transportation and handling far more efficient than traditional building materials. Once on site, the assembly is intuitive. The bricks slot together using using a tongue and groove system and are secured using a pneumatic nail gun. That means no adhesives, no curing time, and no messy installations. But these aren't ordinary wood blocks. Thanks to advanced treatment and design, they're resistant to warping, cracking, and moisture. And the structure requires no settling time. Walls stay straight and strong from day one. Whether it's a compact garden sauna or a fully fledged eco-home, wood brick architecture offers clean lines, precision proportions, and natural charm. It's a building system rooted in modern engineering, but deeply connected to nature. In short, it's not just construction, it's sustainable craftsmanship, block by block. When form meets function, the result is something like WoodUpp's Acou panels. Acoustic wall panels designed not just to improve sound quality, but to alleviate the aesthetic of any space. Crafted from hand-selected wood veneer, high-density fiberboard, and a base layer of recycled acoustic felt, these panels absorb ambient noise while adding natural texture and warmth to interiors. Choose from a range of finishes including oak, walnut, smoked wood, and other refined timbers to match your design style. Beyond performance and beauty, Acou panels are also DIY friendly. Installation requires no specialized tools or training. With a clear step-by-step guide, the panels can be up and running in just a few hours, making them perfect for both residential upgrades and commercial renovations. And the functionality doesn't end there. WoodUpp offers a growing collection of clip-on accessories, from coat hooks to shelves, that easily attach to the panels without damaging them. It's a simple way to refresh the look and utility of your walls over time. Whether you're creating a calm home office, a cozy media room, or a stylish entryway, WoodUpp Acou panels turn sound control into a design feature, one that evolves with your space. When it comes to modern insulation solutions, AGEPAN fiberboards bring more to the table than meets the eye. Originally developed for dry screed applications, these boards are also ideal for use beneath parquet, laminate, and tile flooring, offering both thermal and acoustic performance in a single product. Each board features a tongue and groove connection system allowing for quick, seamless installation. At 190 centimeters by 50 centimeters or 75 inches by 20 inches, the panels are large enough to cover space efficiently, yet manageable enough to be cut on site with ease. In fact, a single installer can carry out the entire process without additional help or strain, making it an excellent choice for small crews or tight timelines. But AGEPAN doesn't stop at comfort underfoot. It also delivers outstanding sound insulation, capable of reducing airborne noise by up to 50 decibels, a significant improvement for multi-story buildings, apartments, or office spaces. And perhaps most impressively, these boards can serve as a temporary roofing solution. Exposed to the elements, they can withstand wind and rain for up to 8 weeks, protecting your build during critical construction phases. Versatile, efficient, and quietly powerful, AGEPAN proves that insulation can be both high-performing and hassle-free. If there's a superhero in the world of structural engineering, it's Delta Beam. This innovative beam system delivers the strength of steel, the rigidity of concrete, and the adaptability of timber, all in one sleek, integrated design. The beam itself is a steel shell, pre-engineered to be filled with reinforced concrete on site. Inside, built-in reinforcement bars provide structural support and bond the materials together. During installation, Delta Beam units can be bolted or welded into position, depending on the design requirements. One of its standout advantages is the ability to create ultra-thin flat slabs, ideal for multi-level buildings, where every inch of height matters. From hospitals to schools to underground parking garages, Delta Beam supports wide spans with fewer columns, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Its hybrid nature also bridges the gap between construction materials, using specially designed timber connections. Builders can anchor glued laminated timber columns onto concrete foundations, allowing wood, steel, and concrete to coexist in one unified structure. Need curved or complex geometry? Delta Beam handles it with ease. Its modularity and design flexibility make it an excellent choice for architects aiming to blend efficiency, speed, and modern form. When strength, style, and structural intelligence come together, Delta Beam carries the load beautifully. Naturi represents a return to simplicity, offering a timber building system that's completely free from glue, insulation, or chemical treatments, built using vertical wooden wall elements. This approach is not only eco-conscious, but also structurally superior. Each wall element weighs just 15 kilograms or 33 pounds, making it ideal for remote sites where heavy machinery is impractical or impossible. This lightweight design doesn't compromise strength. Naturi's vertical walls can support loads 8 times greater than traditional horizontal builds. There's more. Because the structure is so inherently stable, no formwork is needed during finishing. The result is a building process that's clean, fast, and efficient, while remaining rooted in craftsmanship and natural material use. First used in 2000 in the Austrian Alps, the Naturi system has since spread across Germany, France, Italy, and beyond. Builders love its precision, and users love its breathable, non-toxic spaces that feel truly connected to nature. By embracing vertical orientation and rejecting industrial adhesives, Naturi offers a build minimalist structure solution, one that's just as practical in a dense city as it is on a remote mountain slope. This is timber architecture reimagined, cleaner, lighter, and built for life. Leave it to Hakusan, a Japanese company known for material innovation, to redefine what wood can do. At one point, their engineers managed the slice veneer to a record-setting 0.2 millimeters or 0.008 inches. And that was just the beginning. They went on to create SanFoot, a premium veneered wallpaper that blends elegance with function. Its patented 5-layer structure includes an aluminum foil core, which gives the wallpaper fire resistance, flexibility, and durability far beyond traditional wall coverings. It can even bend around 90-degree corners without cracking, ideal for modern interior design. Installation is just as simple as applying conventional wallpaper at just 0.3 millimeters or 0.012 inches thick. SanFoot doesn't eat into room space, yet instantly adds the rich look of natural wood grain to any wall or ceiling. Used in private homes, hotels, concert halls, and public buildings, SanFoot is both a decorative solution and a technological achievement. It provides the warmth of wood with none of the bulk, weight, or flammability. If you want to bring organic textures into sleek, modern interiors, SanFoot wraps tradition in ultra-thin innovation. When it comes to modern facade systems, InterFaca has carved out a space where natural aesthetics meet engineered resilience. Specializing in wooden cladding, the company is known for combining traditional materials with forward-thinking treatment processes, most notably thermally modified wood. This process subjects wood to high temperatures, altering its structure at the cellular level without using chemicals. The result? Enhanced resistance to moisture, decay, and pests, making it ideal for exterior use in variable climates. Most InterFaca products carry a 15-year warranty thanks to their proven long-term performance. From pine to ash, they offer a wide variety of species, grains, and finishes to suit any design vision. For architects and builders, their Woodbox sample kit provides hands-on access to different materials and surface treatments, streamlining the specification process. But InterFaca also goes beyond just selling a product. Their platform includes video tutorials, how-to guides, and a rich portfolio of completed projects, showcasing both the versatility and the elegance of the cladding systems. Whether you're wrapping a minimalist cabin or adding warmth to a contemporary facade, InterFaca's solutions combine sustainability, durability, and timeless design. It's not just wood cladding, it's architectural craftsmanship with built-in longevity. The DMK system is redefining how timber homes are designed and built, delivering speed, accuracy, and innovation in a single integrated package. More than just a constructed method, DMK is a comprehensive building solution. It works seamlessly for everything, from custom private residences to multi-unit developments, thanks to a system rooted in modular thinking and advanced prefabrication. Every component is engineered in a climate-controlled facility, where digital tools and automated precision manufacturing eliminate the possibility of human error. This result is a level of consistency and quality control that's closer to high-end product design than traditional building practices. Assembly on-site is incredibly efficient. Much like a precision timepiece, each element fits perfectly into place, accelerating construction while maintaining structural integrity. And unlike many prefabricated systems, DMK also emphasizes training. The creators have developed a full educational model to ensure that construction teams understand not just the parts, but the process, philosophy, and possibilities. The system combines natural wood materials with high-tech processes, ensuring sustainability without compromising on strength or design flexibility. In short, DMK is not just building faster, it's building smarter. When wood meets engineered innovation, the result isn't just a house, it's a precision-crafted living space designed for the demands of tomorrow. Dreaming of a stylish outdoor pergola, but dreading the complexity of building it? Toja Grid has taken the hassle out of the equation, offering a smart bracket system that lets you construct a custom pergola in as little as 1 hour. No contractor required. The system is beautifully straightforward. All you need is a ladder, a screwdriver, and a standard 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters or 4 inches by 4 inches lumber. Readily available at most hardware stores. The powder-coated steel brackets are designed for both ease and durability, guiding you through a no-fuss assembly process with professional-looking results. The final structure is not just attractive, it's tough. Once assembled, your pergola can stand strong for up to 20 years, even in challenging weather conditions, from snowy winters to blistering summers. And if you ever decide to relocate your outdoor setup, no problem. Toja Grid is modular and fully portable. Take it apart, move it, and rebuild it in your new space. A full set of 8 Toja Grid brackets costs around $141, making it one of the most cost-effective and rewarding DIY investments for homeowners. Whether you're building a cozy reading nook, an outdoor dining space, or a shaded garden corner, Toja Grid turns you into a backyard pro fast. Working wonders with wood isn't just a slogan for Western wood structures. It's a philosophy they bring to life through world-class craftsmanship and smart engineering. One of their standout achievements? A breathtaking timber bridge built in the small town of Haley, Idaho, that proves just how far wood can go, literally and metaphorically. Spanning 49 meters or 161 feet across the scenic Big Wood River, the bridge provides a seamless path through local nature reserves, inviting hikers and residents alike to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. Even more impressive, the entire structure was completed in just 3 weeks. Construction took place on both banks of the river. 2 identical bridge halves were built simultaneously, then carefully joined in the center to form a single continuous span. But it's not just functional, it's symbolic. The bridge's gently curved shape mimics the form of a traditional bow, paying tribute to the area's rich Native American heritage. It's a subtle but powerful reminder of the land's cultural legacy, woven directly into the design. This project is a perfect example of what happens when modern engineering meets natural materials. Strong, sustainable, and rooted in history. With every structure, Western Wood Structures continues to prove that wood can be both a tool of the future and a tribute to the past. Creating a beautiful outdoor terrace doesn't have to be a construction nightmare. The Grad Cladding system is designed to make the process fast, flexible, and surprisingly smart, even for non-professionals. At the heart of this innovation are Grad's patented clip mechanisms, ingeniously crafted to let you remove and replace decking boards with ease. Think of it like pulling a book off a shelf. With a simple, unlocking tool, individual boards can be detached in just minutes. This isn't just about convenience, it's incredibly practical. Whether you're retrieving a lost credit card, phone, or USB drive that slipped between the boards, or assessing utilities and drainage systems installed below. Equally clever are the adjustable grad rails, which adapt seamlessly to uneven ground. Each support leg can extend from 3.5 centimeters to 35 centimeters, or 1.4 inches to 13.8 inches, allowing you to create a perfectly level surface, even on sloped or bumpy terrain. The result? A clean, seamless deck that hides its brilliance beneath the surface. No visible screws, no warping planks, just precision alignment and long-lasting durability. Whether you're working on a compact balcony or a sprawling patio, Grad Cladding makes outdoor living look effortless and function flawlessly. It's not just decking, it's modular design thinking at its best. When it comes to slab formwork, Doka Superdek sets the benchmark for speed, safety, and simplicity, all without sacrificing performance. Developed by Doka, one of the global leaders in formwork solutions, Superdek is built to streamline the job site and maximize efficiency. Its design focuses on reducing labor demands. Thanks to a minimal part count, just 4 main components, assembly becomes intuitive and nearly error-proof. Even with a small crew, a single worker can manage setup, and in many cases, the system can be assembled entirely from ground level, without scaffolding or ladders. The system's parts are crafted from a combination of lightweight aluminum and engineered wood, striking the perfect balance between strength and manageability. Components are easy to lift, position, and align, significantly cutting down on fatigue and setup time. This isn't just convenient, it's a huge safety advantage. Fewer moving parts, no complex steps, and less time at height means a safer environment for the whole crew. Whether you're pouring floors for a commercial tower or a residential build, Doka Superdek transforms slab work from a chore into a clean, precise operation. It's modern slab formwork, simplified, accelerated, and built for today's construction demands. What do a Swiss Army knife and this Fondation Kit have in common? They both take something complex and make it brilliantly simple. The Fondation Kit is a modular, no concrete required foundation system designed to make light construction fast, clean, and reliable. The system uses heavy-duty galvanized steel anchors, which are driven directly into the ground to form a sturdy base for wooden frames. No digging, no pouring, just straightforward assembly. And the best part, the structure can compensate for uneven terrain, adjusting for elevation differences of up to 25 centimeters or 9.8 inches. A lifesaver when building on sloped or irregular ground. Whether you're constructing a deck, gazebo, garden studio, or tiny home, up to 40 square meters or 430 square feet, this Foundation Kit adapts easily. It installs on grass, bare soil, or even a thin gravel bed, offering total flexibility. The result is a solid, level base that saves time, money, and mess, especially compared to traditional concrete footings. It's a smart solution for DIYers and pros alike who want to build quickly, sustainably, and without heavy machinery. Think of it as the multi-tool of foundation systems, compact, versatile, and ready for action. At Cedar Roofing Company, craftsmanship meets versatility. These roofing specialists are comfortable working with a wide range of materials, from metal to bitumen, but their standout expertise lies in one of the most iconic sustainable roofing solutions, Cedar shingles. Cedar is naturally lightweight, yet impressively durable. It can withstand strong winds, hail, and heavy rains, making it ideal for regions with unpredictable weather. Its thermal properties also offer excellent insulation, helping homes stay cool in the summer and warm during winter, reducing energy demands year-round. For added protection, homeowners can choose Cedar shingles that have been treated for fire resistance and moss prevention, extending their lifespan and reducing maintenance. But beyond function, Cedar delivers unmatched visual appeal. A Cedar shingled roof carries the rustic charm of hand-split wood and the elegance of natural grain patterns. Over time, the wood develops a silvery patina that only enhances its storybook aesthetic. It's the kind of roof that gives a home personality, as if it's drawn from the pages of an old illustrated novel. Cedar Roofing Company blends tradition with modern performance, crafting roofs that are not only built to endure, but to elevate the character of every home they crown. When it comes to sustainable design, MOSO Bamboo is in a league of its own, specializing in eco-friendly finishing materials. The company transforms fast-growing bamboo into stunning, durable solutions for both residential and commercial projects. Their work is best showcased at Madrid Barajas Airport, where over 200,000 square meters or 2.15 million square feet of fire-resistant bamboo panels now form the airport ceiling. It stands as the largest bamboo finishing project in the world, proving that renewable materials can scale beautifully and responsibly. But MOSO doesn't stop at grand architecture. They pioneered bamboo veneer panels, suitable for a wide range of applications, indoor and outdoor alike. Whether you're building terraces, facades, fencing, or furniture, MOSO panels provide the strength and elegance of hardwood with a fraction of the environmental impact. Each product is backed by a 25-year warranty, a testament to its durability and weather resistance. Bamboo's natural hardness and density are enhanced through specialized treatment, making it highly resistant to moisture, insects, and UV rays. If nature could engineer the ideal finishing material, it would look a lot like this. MOSO has turned bamboo into one of the most forward-thinking, planet-friendly choices in modern construction, without sacrificing an ounce of style. In large-scale wood construction, like the towering Bra Commons building, the glamour often lies in height and scale, but sometimes it's the smallest components that make the biggest difference, like post supports. The first comes from Pitzel, designed specifically for securing wooden posts to concrete bases. It provides a stable anchor during initial erection and ensures lasting stability. Ideal for framing and load-bearing connections, it's a go-to for both residential and commercial builds. The second, from PYX, is tailored for lighter structures such as terraces, platforms, or garden decks. What sets it apart is its adjustable height mechanism, a vital feature when working with uneven terrain. It can support loads of up to 329 kilograms or 725 pounds, making it both strong and flexible. Both systems are built to streamline installation, save time, and increase safety. Whether you're securing a pergola or anchoring a support beam in a multi-story structure, post supports ensure everything stays grounded. Literally, they might not be flashy, but they're indispensable. The quiet strength behind the scenes of modern timber architecture. In the quiet Swiss town of Goes, two unassuming wooden silos tell a powerful story. That simplicity, when well executed, is genius. Each silo is designed to store 200 cubic meters or 7,062 cubic feet of road grit. But the true innovation isn't in the volume, it's in the mindset. The project's client intentionally rejected overly complex systems and high-tech gimmicks, choosing instead a solution rooted in natural materials and time-tested design principles. The silos are constructed from pre-painted larch wood, a material chosen not just for its rustic charm, but for its exceptional durability and resistance to moisture and weathering. The clean lines and understated form give the silos a timeless look, one that feels both contemporary and comfortably vintage. There are no unnecessary components, no high-maintenance systems, just a focus on functionality and reliability. The result is a facility that serves a vital municipal function, yet manages to do so gracefully, sustainably, and economically. This product is a reminder that in the world rushing towards automation and innovation, there's still room and reason for classic design thinking. Sometimes the smartest choice is the simplest one. In Goes, two timber silos stand quietly, but boldly, proof that great design doesn't need to shout. At the forefront of timber engineering, Swiss researchers at BFH are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with CLT, cross-laminated timber. Their recent studies focus on how CLT structures perform during seismic events, offering promising data for architects and engineers in earthquake-prone regions. CLT is made from multiple layers of timber stacked perpendicularly and bonded together to create panels with exceptional strength and dimensional stability. Unlike traditional wood framing, CLT buildings exhibit a unique blend of rigidity and flexibility. In testing, researchers observed that CLT walls increase the structure's stiffness, reducing overall sway during earthquakes. Instead of snapping or shifting unevenly, a CLT home will flex in a controlled way, preserving the structure without sacrificing safety. This controlled flexibility is less extreme than in-frame or log constructions, providing a balance between strength and adaptability for regions with high seismic activity. That balance can mean the difference between minor damage and catastrophic failure. These findings highlight CLT's potential not just for sustainable construction, but for resilient urban design, with lower material waste and faster build times. It also appeals to cost-conscious developers. Thanks to BFH's research, timber isn't just beautiful, it's becoming smarter, stronger, and ready for the toughest conditions. At first glance, this wooden canopy might look like the work of a seasoned artisan, but behind its elegant curves and clean lines lies a design so intuitive, even a weekend builder can bring it to life. This kit comes with a clearly numbered assembly plan, eliminating guesswork and dramatically cutting build time. The joints are pre-drilled and many sections are secured using wooden dowels, allowing for a clean, tool-like construction process. No hours of hammering or frustrating adjustments, just smart joinery that clicks into place. The components are made from high-quality oak or Douglas fir, both known for their durability, resistance to decay, and timeless grain patterns. And it's more than just a canopy. Its modular design means it can serve a covered porch, garden shed, open-air workspace, or even a micro cabin. Need customization? The manufacturer offers bespoke windows and doors, allowing you to adapt the structure to your exact needs. Whether you're creating a cozy retreat or a stylish outdoor feature, the result is always rooted in natural beauty and practical design. With this canopy, you're not just building a shelter, you're assembling craftsmanship, flexibility, and timeless design into one elegant frame. When it comes to airtight construction, Corvum 3030 tape is the silent performer that gets the job done perfectly and permanently. Manufactured in Switzerland, the high-performance sealing tape is used during window and door installations to create a secure vapor and weather barrier around openings. Each 25-meter or 82-foot roll costs approximately $46, offering exceptional long-term value. Corvum 3030 meets not only Swiss building standards, but also complies with German, British, and international codes, making it a trusted solution across Europe. Unlike many standard tapes, Corvum 3030 contains no rubber or solvents, which means it won't dry out, shrink, or become brittle over time. It maintains its performance in extreme climates, withstanding temperatures from 100 degrees to -40 degrees Celsius, or 212 degrees to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for a service life of over 50 years, this tape offers serious peace of mind, especially for passive houses, energy-efficient renovations, and projects demanding ultra-tight envelopes. Its durability, consistency, and eco-conscious formulation make it more than just a ceiling product. Corvum 3030 is a smart investment in long-term building integrity, one that ensures your carefully crafted structures remain protected for decades to come. Sometimes, the smallest components deliver the greatest performance. These wood construction inventions are set to revolutionize the industry completely, but we have more coming right up. Click on the video on the screen for more content like this.